Hi guys, Laz here again, and in this video we're going to be talking about color schemes. So pretty much as you can see here, I changed up the logo a little bit, but that doesn't really matter. What I want you guys to take notice here is I want you guys to click on the text or the image where you are using your main color, and I want you to go up to this color button right here where it says pick a color and click on this add button. This is basically going to give you your color code, which we're going to need to set up our color schemes that we're going to use in customizing our theme. Nothing looks worse than a theme that just looks like colors were put together and that nothing makes sense. You want to have your colors customized so when people go on your website, they're like, wow, this looks like a very legit website. So we're going to copy this color code number and we're going to go on Google and just Google color schemes. And we're going to go on Palatine right here, this one, the color scheme designer. So with that code that you copied, you're going to go here to base RGB and you're going to paste that code. Click OK. And basically it's going to give you this palette of colors. So these are basically the colors that you want to use on your site. If you need something darker, you want to use this. If you need something lighter, you want to use this. And basically all the combinations in between. So yeah, this is basically what you want to use for your palette on your website. This is super important on color schemes because like I said before, you just want your website to look nice. And before I continue, I actually got a logo from my designer, which I will be leaving his link to logos. He's actually on Upwork and he makes all our logos. He makes our intro videos. He does a lot of stuff for us and he's great. We've built a good relationship with him and he just every time we need a logo or an intro video, he's the guy to go to. So we're actually going to be using his logo right here for the video. So if you're doing this on Photoshop, same thing. You just need to grab the color here and basically find out what that is. So let me see. It is right there. We're gonna go in here into the colors, and this is the number that we're working with. It's like a dark hue of red. Just gonna copy that. We're gonna go back to Palatine. Okay, and these are the colors that we're working with right here. So yeah, a lot darker, but yeah, that's what we're gonna work with here. And yeah, guys. So anyways, we're gonna move forward with this logo, and we will be using this color scheme. And yeah, you just want to do this for your logo so that when you do this, everything is good to go on your theme. So guys, that's it for this video, and in the next video we're going to be customizing our theme. That's going to be probably one of the funnest parts of customizing everything, and you guys are going to be able to add the logo, set up your menus, all that good stuff. So we'll be doing that here soon, and see you guys in the next video.